Hello, my students. Welcome to my kitchen. In my kitchen, we are going to prepare a homemade Play-Doh. And I hope you're ready with your materials. I'm going to say the ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe. You should organize your recipes from left to right. And the first ingredient that you're going to use should be on top of the tray. Are you ready to check if you have everything what we're gonna need? So we need 1 cup of flour. Show me your flour. Point to the flour. We need 1/4 of cup of salt. Point to the salt. We will need 3/4 cup of water minus 3 tablespoons. Point to your water. We will need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Point to your lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 spoons of coloring food, or since I didn't get any coloring food, I just got from jelly color. I just get 2 spoons from jelly color, or like from a jelly packet you can get anywhere. So, food coloring. And now we are going to start. To start, the things that we're going to need, let me see, where are they? They're here. A large mixing bowl. We're going to need a large mixing bowl. 1 glass. That can be microwave glass, one glass that can have approximately 2 cups of water, and then parchment paper or wax paper as well, and a wooden spoon to paddle. Okay, a wooden spoon. So this is what we're gonna need. Before anything, we should wash our hands. I washed my hands before starting this video, but if you haven't washed your hands, I'm gonna give you some moments so you can go wash your hands, because we're gonna touch some food and our hands need to be clean. I'm gonna wait for you, or you can pause your video. Now, continuing, first we're gonna start in the mixing bowl. You can put the flour, there's more. I'm gonna use my wooden spoon. And now I'm going to put the salt. And I'm going to stir them. Next, I'm going to pour the water in the cup, in the container that I'm going to microwave. So I'm going to pour the water. And I'm going to pour the lemon juice. Remember to touch it with 2 hands. And now I'm gonna put it inside of the microwave for 3 minutes, just when it starts to boil. So for 3 minutes. You need to check out that it's going to boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to mix over here the salt and the flour. Good. So we're almost ready. Now we're gonna get the parchment paper. Just something like that would be good. And cut it out. And I'm gonna place it over here, because here is going to be the place where we are going to put our Play-Doh. Now, it's just a matter of time. We need to wait a little bit until the mix of the water and the lemon starts to boil. I'm gonna place this one. Oh my goodness! One metal container fell. Nothing happened. Okay, it's boiling now. Now it's boiling. It was 1 minute for me. It was 1 minute in my microwave. 1 minute and a half was good enough for my microwave. And now I'm going to put in this container the jelly powder. And I'm gonna need another tool that I didn't told you before, a big spoon to stir. So little by little, the jelly powder. Okay, stir it well. And now I'm gonna pour it inside of the flour and salt mixture. Just like this, little by little. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot. So let's mix it all together. And I'm gonna put this away so you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to mix the dough, the lemon, and the jelly powder. Mix it like that. Kind of like very sticky. Little big circles. Big circles. Big and small circles as well you can do. Now circles and small circles. Now we're gonna put, let me check it out if it's really without, probably I'm gonna do it a little bit more because I don't wanna have any kind of flour without being mixed, flour powder. So very strongly, I'm gonna make it very strongly like that. You mix it very, very well. And now I'm gonna add the oil. Now I'm gonna add the oil, okay? That's it. Now, my dough, I think, needs to have a little bit more of flour because it's really sticky, like it's very liquidy. I think I will add a little bit more of flour. And if you have the same case, you should do the same. So where's my flour? My flour is here. Yeah, sometimes it happens. It doesn't matter how much you are doing it in the same way people tells you, or like the recipe tells you to do. But if you see that it's a little bit more liquidy, you should add more flour in order to make it like a ball. You need to see a ball. And now just with that little flour that I added would be okay. The instruction says that it may feel a bit sticky too, but do not add more flour as much as we did. So just a little bit, and as the dough cools off, it will thicken and become less sticky. So we're just gonna place the bowl like this on top of the parchment paper. And when it cools off, it will be sticky, less sticky. So we're gonna check that out later. But for now, we're gonna leave it like that, okay? And that's it. This is the way how you do Play-Doh, homemade Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and here is my result. This is my result. So we're gonna let it cool down.